Hello students, welcome to Study Life. So today we are going to talk about a very important topic. कौन सा? IIT JEE है ना, इंटरेस्टिंग. सी बेसिकली क्या होता है, सबके दिमाग में कुछ ना कुछ डाउट्स है, ठीक है, कि IIT JEE का एग्ज़ाम कब है, कैसे प्रिपेयर करना है और लास्ट डेट क्या है. ऐसे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस है. Even we got many questions, right? So we are going to solve each and every questions one by one, definitely. But before that, just let me inform you about pattern. ठीक है, सबको पता होगा, but still you should know about the pattern. See, IIT JEE pattern is, as you can see here, see there is a paper 1, paper 2A and paper 2B. Okay, now paper 1 is basically for engineering and technology, bachelor of engineering, bachelor of technology. Okay, and paper 2A is for architect. कुछ लोग आर्किटेक्ट के लिए प्रिपेयर करना चाहते होंगे, राइट? सो उसके लिए पेपर 2 है. एंड पेपर 2B इज फॉर प्लानिंग, बैचलर ऑफ प्लानिंग. ओके, नाउ फॉर पेपर 1 द क्वेश्चंस ऑलरेडी इज मेंशन्ड ओवर देयर. Okay students, it is section 1 MCQs 20 questions and of course negative marking is there, so you have to remember that, right? And along with that there is a section B also students, which has only numericals. That means prepare करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है, numericals. But good thing is that you have a choice, ठीक है, 10 questions, any 5 questions you have to solve, right students? And in this there is no negative marking, ठीक है. So everyone should attempt, सबको करना ही है, right? Same pattern you can see for all the 3 paper. But कुछ लोगों का question है, can we give all the 3? Yes, you can give all the 3 papers, right? When you are filling up the form, you have a choice for all the 3. So you can definitely click for that, right students? As I've explained you about this, next one is about, yes, marks. See, for JEE main, 3 subjects are very important. That is physics, chemistry and maths, right students? And as you can see, there are 30 questions and out of that 5 question is optional, right? That is for numericals. So 25 questions you have to solve and it is of 100 marks, 30 minutes. That means physics, chemistry, maths for 1.5 hours students, right? So ready for it? Very good. Now let us answer the questions which students have definitely asked for it and they have sent it to us and we are going to answer for that. Let's see the first question.
Hi ma'am, I'm Kiran Dhanavde. I had not yet filled the form of JEE exam. That's why I want to ask that what is the last date to fill the form of JEE exam?
Okay. Yes Kiran, your question is what is the last date for filling up the form? It is 16th January 2021. That means still we have time. If you have not filled up the form, you can fill it up, right? Still you have time, right? Okay. Now the next question, let's go for the next one.
Hello ma'am, I am Jay Lakshmi. I have decided to give the JEE exam in the month of April. So when should I fill the form? Can you please guide me?
Okay. See, Jaya, you want to give exam in month of April, right? See, the thing is, if you want to give the exam in month of April, for that, these are the dates which I have shown you here. So, at March, those who are giving exams, they will get the result and after that, within 3-4 days after the result, application window will be open. So, those who want to appear for April month, they can fill up that time. But date is not yet announced. Of course, it is after 18th March, exams result will be out and after within 3-4 days, you have to fill it up. Right students? Okay, I hope Jaya you have understood that. But I would suggest that you should try for other exams also because the best one definitely will be selected, right? Now, let's go for the next question.
Hello, I am Ansh. I have a doubt regarding JEE form fill up. Since this year there are 4 attempts, I have a doubt regarding that if we attempted all the 4 sessions, then which score will be considered? And also I have a doubt regarding we have to fill the form again for all the attempts after examination or we have to fill the form once for all.
Yes. Ansh, see 4 exams are there. That is very true. And out of that, you can give all the 4 exams and the best one will be selected right? And if you want to give 2 exams, you can definitely give 2 exams. It's up to you. And all the 4 at a time only you can select while filling up the form, or you can select 2 or 3 depending on whatever way you want to go ahead with exams. ठीक है? लेकिन अगर आप suppose 4 exams का form भरते हो and you don't want to give February month, you can get refund of it. Okay? So definitely whatever amount you have paid, if you are not giving that exam particular month, you will get refund for that. Right, Ansh? Okay, there is one or two questions more. Let me just see that. Next one.
Hello, my name is Saili. I am having a doubt regarding JEE examination. Since this year we are having 4 attempts of JEE, which of one is coming in the month of April, and also there are board examination in the month of April. So can we give
Right. Saili, see, Maharashtra State Board has announced tentative date of 15th April, right? If you want to fill this April month exam, if you don't want to give, but still you have choice for 3 months, right? February, March and May. That is the reason that 4 exams are given, right? Because every state will have their own months for exams conducting of the board exam, right? So you can select accordingly. You can give 3 exams, you can give 4 exams. Okay, it's not a compulsion, right? The best marks will be selected. Right, Saili? Okay, let us see the next one.
Hi ma'am, I'm Sumit Sharma and my question is how to crack JEE.
Okay, Sumit wants to know how to crack IIT JEE, right? See, Sumit, we are having one more upcoming video based on this, right? How to crack IIT JEE. But here I would like to tell you in short that definitely to crack that you need to practice a lot, right? And practice will definitely lead you success, and for that first priority should be to make proper timetable, study timetable, that you should do it. And of course this platform, that is Study Life platform, will help you to crack JEE by giving you a lot of practices, right? So here you will get unlimited test series for each chapter, so that will help you for that. And of course 10 mock test, all India mock test exam is also conducted on this platform, so that you can get the competition, right? And you will come to know what are the strong points and weak point, right, student? Okay, I hope Sumit, I could answer something for you, and definitely there is an upcoming video for that where we can explain you how to crack IIT JEE. And one more question I got about how to fill up the form, which is of course very basic one. Many of you have done it, but still one more video we are going to upload, that is about how to fill up the form, right? So I hope I have given all the answers, whatever we could solve it. And still I suggest that you can go to the link which will be shown on this after the video, and you have to just verify that. If any doubts, you can definitely solve it, right? Thank you very much.